Hello everyone, myself Ketan Bhavsar, Assistant Professor in LJ Engineering College, Ahmedabad. In VLSI Design subject, unit number 4, MOS Inverter Statistic Characteristic. And today's topic we discuss about resistive load inverter, and with help of the VTC we try to calculate different types of voltage level like VOL, VOH, VIL and VIH. In previous session we discussed about the resistive load inverter, and in terms of the resistive load inverter we calculate drain current ID for the linear and saturation in terms of V in and V out. In V in is equal to VGS and V out is equal to VDS. So we derive the drain current ID for the linear and for saturation region. Now resistive load inverter, the circuit, as you can see, we have instead of the PMOS we use a resistive load. It's IR or ID. ID is equal to IR. It's a drain current. V in is equal to VGS, I already told you, and V out is equal to VDS. So basically we prove a simple drain current ID equation in terms of V in and V out in terms of the application point of view, because right now we are taking a inverter as an application. Now as I already told you, okay, now circuit performance. So basically we have three operating region: cutoff, linear and saturation. If V in is less than VTO, then it is in cutoff region, means below the threshold voltage. If input voltage is greater than threshold voltage, then definitely channel will be formed in linear region. But you increase more and more VDS in terms of V in, then VTO less than equal to V in less than equal to V out plus VTO, then it is in saturation region. So basically we have a three different operating region in terms of cutoff, linear and saturation. Now as VTC that we have a VTC in terms of VOL, VIH, VIL and VIH and VOH. So in terms of the cutoff region, you can see that directly you are getting the value high. It start moving when V out is divided by dV in is equal to -1, then it is in VIL. Similarly it is in saturation region similarly, and in terms of the V out plus VTO it is in linear region. So again we have a slope of VTC D out dV out upon dV in is equal to -1. So now we calculate of a VOH. So in terms of the VOH, the output high when the V in is less than VTO, means it is in cutoff region, that we already told you. So V out is equal to VOH is equal to VDD. So VOH is equal to VDD when the input is below a threshold voltage, means input 0, then output 1 or high. Now similarly we calculate a VOL. Now for the calculate the VOL, the V in is greater than or equal to V out plus VTO, means it is in linear variation. Then apply the KCL on this particular diagram. Now we apply the KCL on this particular diagram, and after apply the KCL you can see VDD minus IDRL minus V out. So we make a subject IR is equal to ID. So VDD minus V out divided by RL. So ID linear we have Kn by 2, means Kn by 2, as I already told you, Kn is equal to mu n COX W by L. So Kn by 2, 2 into V in minus VTO into V out minus V square out. So here we put V in is equal to VDD and V out is equal to VOL. So directly we put equation here, and we have ID VDD minus V out divided by RL. So as you can see we have this term. So VDD minus VOL, as per that VOL divided by RL is equal to Kn by 2, 2 into VDD minus VTO into VOL minus V square OL. So similarly V out is equal to VOL we have put here, because right now we are interested to calculate a VOL. So 2 will be cancelled out. So Kn VDD minus VTO into VOL minus Kn by 2 into VOL. So we simply multiply it. So VDD divided by RL minus VOL divided by RL is equal to K and VDD minus V2 into VOL minus Kn by 2 into VOL square. So Kn by 2 VOL square minus Kn VDD minus V2 into VOL plus VDD divided by RL minus VOL divided by RL is equal to 0. So we put a common of Kn by 2. So Kn by 2 common from here. So here VOL square minus 2 is not available here. So minus 2 into VDD minus V2 into VOL plus 2 by Kn VDD into RL minus 2 by Kn VOL divided by RL is equal to 0. So VOL square minus 2 into VDD minus V2 into VOL plus 2 by Kn VDD divided by RL minus 2 by Kn VOL divided by RL is equal to 0. So VOL square minus 2, we basically integrate it, then 1 divided by Kn into RL plus 2 VDD Kn into RL. So basically what exactly we had put it, we put this particular equation in this side and we take a common of VOL. So VOL is equal to VDD minus VTO plus Kn by Kn into RL minus under root of VDD minus VTO plus Kn by Kn RL square minus 2 into VDD divided by Kn into RL. So finally we get the VOL equation. Now similarly we calculate for the VIL. For calculate the VIL in terms of the intermediate low. So as you can see, as per the graph, we have a variation in terms of the dV out upon dV net pin or at voltage value VIL. So dV out upon dV is equal to minus 1 we have. So similarly we calculate the ID saturation is equal to VDD minus V out divided by RL. As we already seen, when we apply the KCL, then we see the variation like this. But right now we have to put ID saturation equation. So Kn by 2 into V in minus VTO whole square instead of a linear equation. So this one is how it will simplify. X square is equal to 2x into dx divided by dx. So Vn minus Vto square. So 2 into Vn minus Vto into d by dv and then Vn minus Vto. So 2 into Vn minus Vto into dv out upon dv is equal to dvto upon dv. So we have a 2 Vn minus Vto into 1 minus 0. So 2 Vn minus Vto. So finally we are getting this equation particularly for that one. So minus 1 upon RL into dV out upon dV is equal to Kn by 2 into V in minus VTO. So minus 1 upon RL. So dV out upon dV we have a minus 1. So we put minus 1 here is equal to Kn V in minus VTO. So 1 divided by RL, because minus 1 into minus 1 upon RL is equal to 1 upon RL is equal to Kn V in minus VTO. So we put Kn down here. So Vn is equal to 1 divided by RL Kn plus VTO. Similarly, Vn is equal to VIL. So VIL is equal to VTO plus 1 upon RL plus Kn. So VDD minus V out divided by RL is equal to Kn by 2. So instead of the VIL, we put right now VTO plus 1 divided by RL Kn minus VTO whole square. So Kn by 2. 1 divided by RL Kn square. So it will be cancel out. So we have equation VD minus V out by RL is equal to 1 divided by 2 RL square into Kn. So VDD minus V out is equal to RL. RL goes to up. So RL divided 2 RL square divided by Kn. So V out, we have V out is equal to VDD minus 1 upon 2 RL Kn. So it is in saturation. So finally we get the equation for the VIL. So VIL is in saturation region. So VIL is equal to VDD minus 1 upon 2 RL into Kn. Similarly, we calculate the equation for the VIH. So we have a similarly situation for the VIH. V out upon dV is equal to minus 1. So V out less than V in minus VTO. So VDD minus V out divided by RL is equal to Kn by 2 into V in minus V2 into V out minus V out square. Now same we have an equation in terms of differentiation both the sides with respect to V in. So finally we get minus 1 upon RL into dV out upon dV in is equal to Kn by 2 into V in minus V2 into dV out upon dV in minus 2 V out dV out upon dV in. So as you can see, minus 1 upon RL into dV out upon dV in is equal to Kn by 2 into V in minus VTO dV out upon dV in plus 2v out minus 2v out dv out upon dv in. So minus 1 upon Rl minus 1 kn by 2 into v in minus v2 into minus 1 plus 2v out minus 2v out minus 1. So it will be a plus value we have. So basically 1 upon Rl is equal to kn by 2. 2vto minus 2v in, we have 4v out, so we just take a common of 2 and it will be cancel out. So 1 upon r into k is equal to vto minus v in plus 2v out. So v in we have v in is equal to vto plus 2v out minus 1 upon rl into kn. So directly we put vih, so vih is equal to vto plus 2v out minus 1 upon rl into kn. Now we put equation in terms of the linear variation. So as you can see, the VDD minus V out upon RL is equal to Kn by 2 into VTO plus V out minus 1 upon RL into Kn minus V2 into V out minus V square out. So V out is equal to under root of 2 by 3 VDD into Kn into RL, and V in is equal to VTO plus 2 into under root of 2 by 3 VDD divided by Kn into RL minus 1 upon RL into Kn. So we just simplified this equation and finally we get this equation V in is equal to VTO plus under root of 8 by 3 VDD divided by Kn RL minus 1 upon RL into Kn. So finally we get this particular 4 equation in terms of VOL, VOH, VIL and VIH. So I hope you're getting the idea, but make sure that this equation is very important for the exam point of view, and I know this session is little bit complex for you to understand in the mathematical terms, but make sure that you try to work out at home and prepare this particular equation at home and try to simplify it, and if you have any doubt then you can contact me. So thank you very much, and I hope that you are getting the idea about how we can simplify the different types of equation. Okay, and if you have any doubt for any mathematical terms then you can sure contact me. So thank you very much.